we're going to tackle about the presentation or visualization in online platforms. So, visualization, what does it mean? It is the representation of an object, situation, or set of information as a chart or other image. Prezi. Prezi is a web-based presentation software created in Hungary. This freedom of movement enables conversational presenting, in which it allows the presenter to respond to the interest of the audience members and zoom straight into those particular details. Presenters can skip entire sections of a presentation and drill down into any details that the audience might want to see and know about. The word Prezi is a short form of presentation in Hungarian. Prezi presentations feature a map-like schematic overview that lets users pan or span among topics at will, zoom in on desired details, and pull back to reveal context. Some uses of Prezi are for conferences, business, and education. The company that develops Prezi is also called Prezi, that was founded in Budapest, Hungary in 2009. As of March 2017, Prezi had reportedly over 75 million users who had created more than 260 million Prezis. Second platform for online presentation is Small Office, Home Office, in short, SOHO. It includes virtual office and single location firm. It is a privately owned and operated business or individuals who are self-employed. SOHO is often characterized as being a small in both the size of the office space and a number of employees. As a general guideline, a small office is considered to be any firm with fewer than 10 employees. Although in more recent years, some research and marketing firms have taken to categorizing SOHO as a firm with 1 to 4 employees. Firms with 5 or more employees are considered different categories within the small sector. In some cases, the workplace is designated space established within the business owner's residence or home office, where they conduct their business tasks on a regular basis. A home office is a good choice for professionals who operate their own service-based small business. Examples are those real estate, pet care, legal services, and for some internet-based. For the third one, we have SlideShare. It is also known as LinkedIn SlideShare. LinkedIn SlideShare is a Web 2.0 based slide posting service. Users can upload files privately or publicly in the following file formats: PowerPoint, PDF, or open document presentations. Slide decks can then be viewed on the site itself, on handheld devices, or embedded on other sites. SlideShare is an online community that allows users to upload and share PowerPoint presentations, documents, and infographics. It also provides users the ability to rate, comment on, and share the uploaded content. The platform covers topics such as leadership, technology, education, and others. SlideShare was launched on October 4, 2006. The website is considered to be similar to YouTube, but for slideshows, it was acquired by LinkedIn in 2012. The website was originally meant to be used for business to share slides among employees more easily, but it also has expanded to become a host of a large number of slides that are uploaded merely to entertain. The website gets an estimated 70 million unique visitors a month and has about 38 million registered users. Some of the notable users of SlideShare include the White House, NASA, World Economic Forum, and others. So for the fourth presentation or visualization platform is MindMeister. Online mind mapping application that allows its users to visualize, share, and present their thoughts via the cloud. MindMeister was launched in 2006 by Mr. Labs, a software company founded by Michael Holoff and Phil Volk. MindMeister provides a way to visualize information in mind maps, utilizing user modeling while also providing tools to facilitate real-time collaboration, task management, and creating presentations. By using cloud storage, MindMeister can distribute changes in mind maps in real time to all users on all devices. MindMeister allows users to share and edit mind maps, leave comments and feedback, attach files, images, videos, and link to external as well as internal sources. Mind maps can be shared both privately with an unlimited number of users and publicly. MindMeister is based on a freemium model with all functionality available for a certain time frame and limited functionality thereafter. Mind maps can also be turned into interactive presentations. Cloud computing sounds unfamiliar. Yes, it really sounds unfamiliar. If you use an online services to send email, edit documents, watch movies or TV, listen to music, play games, or store pictures and other files, it is likely that cloud computing is making it all possible behind the scenes. The first cloud computing services are barely a decade old, but already a variety of organizations, from tiny startups to global corporations, government agencies to nonprofits, are embracing the technology for all sorts of reasons. Here are a few of the things you can do with the cloud. Create new apps and services. Store, backup, and recover data. Host websites and blogs. Stream audio and video. Deliver software on demand. Analyze data for patterns and make predictions. Companies offering these computing services are called cloud providers and typically charge for cloud computing services based on usage similar to how you are billed for water or electricity at home. In cloud computing, there are 6 advantages. It is the cost, speed, global scale, productivity, performance, and reliability. For cost benefits, cloud computing eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware and software and setting up and running on-site data centers, the racks of servers, the round-the-clock electricity for power and cooling, the IT experts for managing the infrastructure. It adds up fast. Speed. Most cloud computing services are provided self-service and on-demand, so even vast amounts of computing resources can be provisioned in minutes, typically with just a few mouse clicks, giving businesses a lot of flexibility and taking the pressure off capacity planning. Global scale. The benefits of cloud computing services include the ability to scale elasticity. In cloud speak, that means delivering the right amount of IT resources. For example, more or less computing power, storage, bandwidth, right when it's needed and from the right geographic location. So for the fourth benefits, productivity. On-site data centers typically require a lot of racking and stacking, hardware setup, software patching, and other time-consuming IT management chores. Cloud computing removes the need for many of these tasks, so IT teams can spend time on achieving more important business goals. Second to the last is performance. The biggest cloud computing services run on a worldwide network of secure data centers, which are regularly upgraded to the latest generation of fast and efficient computing hardware. This offers several benefits over a single corporate data center, including reduced network latency for application and greater economies of scale. For the last benefit, it is reliability. Cloud computing makes data backup, disaster recovery, and business continuity easier and less expensive because data can be mirrored at multiple redundant sites in the cloud provider's network. So the first example on cloud computing is Google Drive. Yes, familiar with you. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. It was launched on April 24, 2012. Google Drive allows users to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files. Google Drive offers apps with offline capabilities for Windows and Mac OS computers and Android and iOS smartphones and tablets. Google Drive encompasses Google Documents, Sheets and Slides, an Office suite that permits collaborative editing of documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, forms, and more. Besides online file storage, Google Drive provides tools for sharing files and collaborating on projects with other users over the web. For example, instead of emailing large attachments, you can send links to the files from your Google Drive to one or more users. You can also use the web-based Google Documents applications to create or edit documents online. When you share a document with other Google Drive users, everyone can view and edit the document at the same time. Google Drive allows you to view over 30 file types directly in your web browser. So the second cloud computing is Evernote. Evernote is a free app for your smartphone and computer that stores everything you could possibly imagine losing track of, like a boarding pass, receipt, article you want to read, to-do list, or even a simple typed note. The app works brilliantly, keeping everything in sync between your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Evernote is a web-based app that allows end users to capture, store, and synchronize text, image, and file across multiple computing devices. Evernote is a cross-platform app designed for note-taking, organizing, and archiving. Evernote was developed by the Evernote was developed by the Evernote Corporation, a private company headquartered in Redwood City, California, USA. The app allows users to create a note, which can be a piece of formatted text, a full web page or a web page excerpt, a photograph, a voice memo, or a handwritten ink note. Notebooks can be added to a stack, while notes can be sorted into a notebook, tagged, annotated, edited, given comments, searched, and exported as part of a notebook. Evernote is available in a paid version or a more restricted free version. Use of the online service is free up to a certain monthly usage limit, with additional monthly use reserved for Plus subscribers and unlimited monthly use of premium customers. Down to our last example is Dropbox. Dropbox is a personal cloud storage service, sometimes referred to as an online backup service, that is frequently used for file sharing and collaboration. The Dropbox application is available for Windows, Macintosh, and Linux desktop operating system. There are also apps for iPhone, iPad, Android, and BlackBerry devices. The service provides 2 GB of storage for free and up to 100 GB on various for free plans. After installation of the associated application, a Dropbox folder appears with the user's other folders. Users can save files to the folder and new folders and drag and drop files among folders just as they were all local. Files in the Dropbox folder can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. The user just has to log into his account to upload, download, and share files. To share a file, the users can generate a URL for it from the Dropbox website and send it out so that others can view it. Folders can be shared by sending an invitation from the Dropbox website. Recipients that don't have Dropbox accounts will have to sign up to access the folder. Once a folder is shared, it will appear in the folder system for everyone who has access to it, and all members will be able to make changes to files. For the last online platform we're going to discuss is the social media, in which it is popular and very rampant in millennial era. First, we have Twitter. It is an online news and social networking service where users post and interact with messages called tweets. These messages were originally restricted to 140 characters, but on November 7, 2017, the limit was doubled to 280 characters for all languages except Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. Registered users can post tweets, but those who are unregistered can only read them. Users access Twitter through its website interface, short message service, or mobile device. Twitter Incorporation is based in San Francisco, California, United States, and has more than 25 offices around the world. Twitter was created in March 2006 by Rock Dorsey, Noah Glass, Dean Stone, and Evan Williams and launched in July of that year. In 2012, more than 100 million users posted 340 million tweets a day, and the service handled an average of 1.6 billion search queries per day. In 2013, it was one of the 10 most visited websites and has been described as the SMS of the Internet. As of 2016, Twitter had more than 319 million monthly active users. Next up, we have Facebook. Facebook is a social media website first developed by Mark Zuckerberg while he was a student at Harvard in 2004. Since its creation, it has become one of the most popular social media sites, attracting people of all ages from all over the world. To use the site, you must create a personal profile where you provide information about yourself that can either be made public or private, depending on your privacy status. Once your personal profile is created, you can request friends, like pages, share articles with your friends that you have found, and more. Facebook is a way to stay in contact with your friends or just your acquaintances. Each month, Facebook has approximately 1.2 billion users. For the last one, we have Tumblr. Tumblr is a microblogging and social networking website founded by David Karp in 2007 and owned by Oath Incorporation. The service allows users to post multimedia and other content to a short-form blog. Users can follow other users' blogs. Bloggers can also make their blogs private. For bloggers, many of the website features are accessed from a dashboard interface. As of November 1, 2017, Tumblr hosts over 375.4 million blogs. As of January 2016, the website had 555 million monthly visitors. So in Tumblr, we have the features which are the blog management. In the blog management, there are dashboards. The dashboard is the primary tool for the typical Tumblr user. It is a live feed of recent posts from blogs that they follow. Through the dashboard, users are able to comment, reblog, and like posts from other blogs that appear on their dashboard. Users are able to set up a schedule to delay posts that they make. They can spread their posts over several hours or even days. Tags. Users can help their audience find posts about a certain topics by adding tags. If someone were to upload a picture to their blog and wanted their viewers to find pictures, they would add the tag hashtag picture, and their viewers could use the word to search for posts with the tag hashtag picture. The last feature is HTML editing. Tumblr allows users to edit their blogs' theme HTML coding to control the appearance of their blog. Users are also able to use a custom domain name for their blog.